Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. We are going to look at Bitcoin and just take a little look at some price action that's been going on, compare it to some of the analysis that I've written about and that we've discussed. So we've talked a little bit about how we were expecting a corrective move and that there is a significant amount of support structure in here. If I take a look at this is the daily chart, the daily Ichimoku chart. There's key incident here that I think is important to take a look at. If you watched our Euro Pound video yesterday, talked about this condition a little bit. We are pretty, we do have this higher low between these two lows here in the RSI. However, it's slightly divergent when we compare those two troughs to the composite index in the middle here. The composite index, where we see it kind of bounce up here, coincides with the bounce happening with price action. But also that level on the daily chart for Bitcoin is a pretty good support zone. And if we place like a horizontal line around there, we can see that this is a support level in the composite index for Bitcoin. Additionally, when we know we're in a bull market, the overbought levels shift. They go to 80 and 90. They don't stay at 70. And then the support levels end up being between 40 and 50. And so it's no surprise that on the daily chart, we see the level 50 area, kind of where we're trading up against 50 to 60-ish, acting as a support zone. The oscillators are confirming some support on the daily, in addition to the current daily candlestick showing support up against the Kijun Sen. So this is the third day in a row that we've had a test of the Kijun Sen. That has not occurred since back in early December of 2020. Again, looking at Bitcoin, it does look like it could be continuing higher here. On the weekly chart, this is actually, I think it was on the monthly. Did we do that on? I did those drawings. Yeah, the monthly is still indicating that there's some higher moves ahead. Nothing's kind of slowing down there. And on the weekly, a resumption, even consolidation here seems to make sense. There hasn't been a weekly test of the Kijun Sen really since we broke out of the cloud. The Tenkan Sen and the Kijun Sen are finally kind of expanding away from one another. They've been very, very tight. So is it going to pull back down here right away? Maybe not, but it is certainly a likelihood. It's very odd for any instrument to go this long without testing the Kijun Sen as a support level here. Additionally, do take a look at where this Kumo twist is at. We're only 2 weeks beyond that, which is fine. You can go to 3 to 5 candlesticks past a Kumo twist. This Kumo twist is indicating to us that there is a likely turn in the market. So we could anticipate this moving down lower still. But in the meantime, on the shorter time frames, if we're looking at the daily, we do see some evidence of support structure coming in. However, if the daily chart cannot cross back above the Tenkan Sen, I would say look out below and keep your eyes open. That does it for me for this video today. Thank you for watching this video from all of us here at Exchange Rates UK TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good one.